Camping is always fun, but with the right gear, it becomes truly unforgettable. In this video, we're counting down 15 must-have camping gadgets set to upgrade your outdoor adventures in 2026. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a wilderness explorer, or simply someone who loves the calm of nature, these gadgets are designed to make camping easier, smarter, and way more enjoyable. From portable stoves and weather protection to smart survival gear and next-gen convenience, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Coleman Sundome Camping Tent. Imagine you're deep in the wild and the sky suddenly turns gray. This is when the Coleman Sundome Camping Tent proves its worth. Designed to set up in just 10 minutes, it offers quick shelter when time matters most. The included Rainfly and WeatherTech system keep you dry during unexpected storms, while its spacious design accommodates 2 to 6 people, making it versatile for solo trips, family outings, or festivals. Whether in the backyard or on rugged terrain, this tent ensures comfort, protection, and reliability when you need it most. Cold Weather Sleeping Bag, 100% cotton flannel. When the night air bites and frost creeps across your campsite, the Cold Weather Sleeping Bag with 100% cotton flannel lining becomes your fortress of warmth. Built in an XXL size for adults who are big and tall, it ensures comfort without feeling cramped, even in freezing conditions. The natural flannel interior adds softness and insulation, while the free compression sack makes packing and carrying effortless. Small shredded memory foam pillow. When you're miles into the trail and craving real rest, the small shredded memory foam camping pillow is the comfort you didn't know you needed. Its compressible design makes it easy to pack into any backpack, yet once opened, the medium-firm shredded foam provides proper neck and head support after a long day outdoors. The breathable cover keeps you cool, whether in a tent, on a plane, or in the car. Imagine sinking into familiar comfort in the wild, lightweight, portable, and built for true recovery. PTEROMY Hooded Rain Poncho. Imagine you're caught in a sudden downpour miles from shelter. This is when the PTEROMY Hooded Rain Poncho proves invaluable. Crafted from lightweight, waterproof material, it keeps you dry without restricting movement, while the hooded design shields your head and face from relentless rain. Odoland 20,000 mAh camping fan with lantern. When the heat lingers inside your tent or the air feels heavy after a long trek, the Odoland 20,000 mAh camping fan with lantern becomes your ultimate comfort tool. Its 360-degree oscillation spreads cool air evenly, while the built-in lantern with RGB light brightens your camp with both utility and atmosphere. The massive rechargeable battery doubles as power backup, lasting through nights and emergencies. With a remote control and hanging hook, it's effortless to use anywhere, whether camping, traveling with family, or working on a job site. This fan keeps you refreshed and prepared. Rechargeable Headlamp 2-pack. Imagine trekking through dense forest trails at night or setting up camp after sunset. The Rechargeable Headlamp 2-pack ensures you're never left in the dark. With an astonishing super bright LED power, it lights up vast areas like daylight. The 3 lighting modes let you adapt to different tasks, while the 90-degree adjustable beam directs light exactly where you need it. Built with IPX6 waterproofing and a 45-hour runtime, these headlamps are rugged, reliable, and perfect for camping, hunting, or hiking when visibility is critical. Gas One GS3400P propane or butane stove. When you're far from home and need reliable cooking power, the Gas One GS3400P dual fuel stove steps in as your trusted companion. Its dual compatibility with propane and butane means you'll never be stuck without fuel, whether camping deep in the wild or preparing for emergencies. The portable design with carrying case makes it easy to pack and transport, while the patented safety features ensure worry-free use. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Camping Chairs. After a long day of hiking or setting up camp, nothing feels better than sinking into the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong camping chair. Built with a compact foldable steel frame, It's tough enough to handle rugged use while still easy to pack and carry. The mesh cup holders and side pockets keep drinks and essentials within reach, making relaxation effortless. TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. Imagine being deep in the forest where GPS signals fade. This is when the TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass becomes more than just a tool. It's a lifeline. Built for scouts, hikers, and campers, it teaches kids and adults alike the art of navigation, making it both a survival essential and a thoughtful gift. Its advanced design ensures accuracy. Alocs Camping Cookware. Aluminum Camping Cooking Set. When hunger strikes in the wild, the Alocs Camping Cookware Set ensures you're ready to cook anywhere. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it's durable yet easy to carry, making it perfect for backpacking and outdoor adventures. The set includes essential pots and pans designed for efficient heat distribution, so meals cook faster and more evenly. Fire Starter Squares 64. Fire starters for fireplace. When the wilderness feels damp or the wood just won't catch, the Fire Starter Squares 64-pack become your instant solution. Compact and water-resistant, they ignite quickly even in tough conditions, making them perfect for campfires, barbecue grills, fireplaces, or wood stoves. Their odorless and safe design means no chemical smell clings to your food or gear. Imagine arriving at camp after a rainy trek. These squares ensure a warm fire is only moments away, giving you heat, light, and comfort without the struggle. Paracord Planet Genuine Type 3 550-pound Paracord. When you're deep in the wild and need gear that adapts to countless situations, the Paracord Planet Genuine Type 3 550-pound Paracord is the ultimate survival essential. With a strength rating of 550 pounds, this nylon cord can handle shelter building, gear repairs, or emergency uses like securing loads or crafting tools. Available in solid, multi, and reflective colors with lengths from 10 to 100 feet. LENCE Portable Camping Chair, Backpacking Chair. After miles of hiking or a long day at the beach, the LENCE Portable Camping Chair, 4th generation, is where comfort meets practicality. Built with an ultra-light yet durable frame, it folds down compactly to fit into your backpack without adding bulk. Despite its lightweight design, it offers sturdy support for relaxing anywhere. First Aid Kit, Trauma First Aid Kits. When accidents strike in the wild or even at home, the Trauma First Aid Kit with Molle system becomes your frontline defense. Designed with labeled compartments, it ensures you can find critical supplies instantly when seconds matter. Built for professional emergency use, it's compact yet comprehensive, making it ideal for camping, hiking, travel, or keeping in your car and office. Imagine facing a sudden injury. This kit's organized layout and durable design give you confidence and control, turning chaos into preparedness wherever you are. Men's Skiing Jackets Winter Waterproof Snow Jackets. When icy winds cut across the slopes or snow begins to fall heavy, the Men's Skiing Jacket Winter Parka becomes your shield against the elements. Built with a waterproof outer shell and fleece-lined insulation, it locks in warmth while keeping moisture out, ensuring comfort through long hours outdoors. The hooded design adds extra protection for your head and neck, while its durable construction makes it reliable for skiing, hiking, or everyday winter wear. Imagine braving sub-zero conditions. This jacket keeps you dry, warm, and ready for adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with us. It fuels us to keep creating even better work and bringing you more essential gear insights.